Welcome back, THF YouTubers and IGers. Today, we finally got what you've all been asking for. Those new Ford F-150 illuminated emblems with badass startup mode. Guys, they're available from the 15 to 19 Ford F-150s and Super Duties. We didn't forget about you. You've got them available for the 17 to 19. All right, let's check them out. We're gonna turn it off and show you what they look like when they're off. All right, off, they look normal, you know. High quality, don't look like no cheap stuff. All right, now we're gonna turn it back on. Check this sequence out. Oh my goodness, did you see that? Let's do that again. Go. Guys, when you're ready, come by. Limited supply. Thank you and have a great day.